Hi! Today we are going to talk about the process of purification and cleaning of sewage water. Now I will show you the process with two basic experiments. Now we need the following materials. First, a bottle made of glass, like this. And second, the filter. This filter is used for coffee. And finally, we need sewage water that in this case is represented by water with that contain organic particles such dirt and earth. The first experiment is sedimentation. Sedimentation is the tendency for particles in suspension to set above the fluid in which they are entrained and come to rest against a barrier. This is due to their moving through the fluid in response to the force acting of them. This force can be due to gravity, centrifugal acceleration, or electromagnetism. Now, our filter is represented by this bottle of glass, and I apply the centrifugal force with this stick. You can observe that the sewage water is slowly decanted in this bottle. It's necessary to wait a few minutes that it fully decants. We can observe two phases. In the top part, we can see the contaminated water, and in the bottom, we see that after a while, the solid matter suspended on the water sink to the bottom of the bottle. Filtration is the process of separating suspended solid made from a liquid by causing the latter to pass through the pores of some substance, called a filter. The liquid which has passed through the filter is called to filtrate. The filter may be paper, cloth, cotton wool, asbestos, slag, or glass wool, sands, or other porous material. To do this, we are going to slowly pour the water over the filtering cloth. As we can see, the resulting water is not completely clear. This happens because the pore or the membrane that we are using as a filter are bigger than the particles suspended in the water. We can observe that in the filter catching the particles, the big particles. Finally, we can see the result. This is the filtered water, and this is the initial sewage water. We can see the difference between two waters.